Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel where I show you how to make money online. In this video, I'll be sharing with you the top 10 high-paying affiliate programs for beginners. As a beginner in the world of affiliate marketing, it can be overwhelming to know where to start and which programs can actually make you money. That's why I've done the research for you and narrowed down the top 10 programs that have worked for me and other successful affiliate marketers. 1. High-ticket affiliate marketing courses. The first in our list is the most paying one. High-ticket affiliate marketing courses are designed to help you earn big commissions promoting valuable products. With expert instruction and proven strategies, you can learn how to target lucrative niches and attract high-quality leads that convert into sales. Sign up today and start earning big. The courses start from $7. You can find link in bio and description. 2. Amazon Associates. The most popular is Amazon Associates program. With thousands of products to promote and up to 10% commission on each sale, it's no wonder that this program is a favorite among beginners. 3. ClickBank. With ClickBank, you can easily find digital products to promote in various niches, from health and fitness to online marketing. Commission rates can be as high as 75%. 4. CJ Affiliate. CJ Affiliate has over 2,500 merchants to choose from, so you're sure to find something that aligns with your interests. Commission rates vary, but they can be as high as 50%. 5. Rakuten Marketing. Rakuten Marketing offers products from more than 1,000 brands, so there's a wide variety to choose from. Commission rates vary, but they can be as high as 20%. 6. ShareASale. ShareASale has products in various niches, from beauty to home and garden. Commission rates vary, but they can be as high as 80%. 7. eBay Partner Network. eBay Partner Network offers access to one of the world's largest marketplaces. Commission rates vary, but they can be as high as 70%. 8. JVZoo. JVZoo is a platform that offers digital products in various niches, including internet marketing and software. Commission rates can be as high as 100%. 9. Awan has over 29,000 advertisers to choose from, so you're bound to find something that aligns with your interests. Commission rates vary. 10. Fiverr Affiliate Program. Fiverr Affiliate Program offers commission on promoting Fiverr services in various categories. Commission rates can be as high as $150 per sale.